The best choice for smart lighting is clear when you do the maths. Have you ever noticed how many bulbs are in your house? Imagine having to buy new smart bulbs to replace all of them. That can get really expensive. Why do that when you can make regular bulbs smart? That's what RA2 Select by Lutron does. By putting the brains in line with the circuit and replacing the existing switch with a smart wireless one. And since one button can control many lights, buying inline controllers instead of smart bulbs can save you a lot of money. And here's something else. If someone flips off the power to the smart bulb with the switch, it's no longer smart. But our smart switches are always ready to go, even when the switch is off. Plus, with more ways to control, anyone in the house can adjust the light. And it connects with the most popular smart home systems around. So you can rest assured that it will work with most smart devices you have now, as well as the ones you'll own tomorrow. Because RA2 Select works with your home's existing wiring, installation is a breeze. If you need support, it's just a click or phone call away. No wonder it's highly rated by homeowners and lighting pros alike. When you add it all up, it's clear. RA2 Select by Lutron. Whole home lighting control made simple.